Hi, I'm James, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put together a sample document in PrizmDoc Viewer with Node.JS and HTML. Here you can see the document is already in my viewer, and on the left side of the screen, you can see my terminal that has a Node server running. And if we scroll through this document, we can see GET requests being made for the page data as it's coming into view. So we'll start by cloning a sample project from GitHub, configuring it to our local instance of PrizmDoc server, and then we'll get the document in our browser. You can go to github.com/Accusoft to find our publicly available resources. I'm going to open our viewer sample with Node.js and HTML. And then I will clone this into my repo. Now that that's done, we'll hop into the directory itself. And while I'm here, I'm going to start installing our dependencies with npm install. Now that that's finished, we can open this in code. Just a quick configuration change that we'll need to make here. We'll open config.json5. This is just a JSON file that allows for comments, which is going to be useful for me because I'm going to comment out the base URL pointing to PrizmDoc Cloud and the API key field. And I will uncomment the self-hosted parameters. And I will set the pass base URL to my local machine at port 3000. And then I'll set the pass secret key to the default key since I haven't changed it in my installation. We'll save that. And that should be all of the configuration that we need to do. So I'll go back to my terminal now, and I'll run a script to start the Node server. And there it is. We have an application running at localhost port 8888. Let's take a look. And voila, we have a document in our viewer. This is just a bare bones viewer, and as we scroll, you see this is pulling data through the Node server from my local machine and displaying it in our browser. So that's about all that I have for you today. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.